Okay, welcome back to the channel, my people. Super happy to have you here. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Shout out to anyone who is in trouble with the storms. Here comes the Florida pit. Hey girl, hey baby. We feel super bad, huh? We got so lucky here and there's so many people suffering right now. What a shame, huh baby? Yeah, such a good girl. Such a good girl, the Florida pit. Bella. She even got a name tag. It's official now. It's official now with that name tag jingling around the house. All right. Give me my hands back. I got to do a video. This dog is my new best friend. No joke, bro. She is on the Florida man. Like, she knows what's up, bro. She's just my little mini-me, follows me everywhere, bro. I had no idea what type of loyalty you would get from this type of dog, the Florida pit. But it's incredible. I mean, the love. She's an incredible cuddler. Super happy to have her here. All right, guys, it's another special day here in our Hot Wheels world. Hello? You do not need my passcode. All right, maybe you did. So it's a very special day. As stated, we are getting another lowrider, the RLC exclusive 1975 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $30, limit 2 per customer. We got to go for 2. We do have 2 of the OG Monte Carlo lowrider, which is in green, and it looks amazing. Before the end of the video, I will absolutely show you the green Chevrolet Monte Carlo lowrider. In case you're new here, I have shown it before, of course, when we first got them, but I don't think we've opened it since then, and that was at the old diecast compound. So here we are a year later getting a new one. As you can see, it's blue this time, which is pretty cool. Very nice chrome blue paint, and we will compare this to that. Like, are the paint jobs exactly the same with all the detail, just different colors, or is it a completely new paint job? We won't know until we open that. So here we go. 4 minutes to go. I will be right back. Well, actually, I'll be right back in a second, but just so you know, this Monte Carlo, it has a completely different hinge system than the first Impala lowriders. I've yet to see the latest release. Works Diecast does have one for me, luckily, but as you can see here, there's a different system as far as how the wheels pivot, and it can do 3-wheel like crazy, even the green one. So let's wait another few minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, she's just down here like kissing my leg. Dude, she's such a lover. Like who would have known? You are a sweet girl, huh, Bella? Yeah, see, licking my shorts. You are a sweet girl. Bella's a sweet girl. Yeah, we know. Look, she even knows her name now. Dude, she's great. All right. 3 minutes to go. I'll be right back. All right, here we go, guys. 0 seconds to go. What's going to happen? Sold out. All we have to do is refresh. And they should come back. So the bots are being kicked. Wait, hello? All right, add to cart. My cart is empty, but it shows something. All right, we're going to add 1 because we can get 2. As we can see, limit 2 per user. Come on. Add the second. All right, there we go. So 30 bones each. Check out. Oh, gosh, here we go. I'm human. Oh, no. Please click each image containing an animal sitting or lying down. What? I guess that's it. Sitting or lying down. Sitting. Okay. Hey, only 2 this time. Not bad. Not too bad, Mattel. All right, less than a minute to go. Heck yeah, bro. All right, so 1 minute after the hour, less than a minute to check out. All right, so there we go. 2 minutes after the hour, still saying less than a minute available. All right, here comes the fun. We'll be sitting here for 30 minutes as there was an issue creating your order. Try again or contact us for more details. Come on, dude. This is crazy, bro. Why is this so hard? Like, I don't get it. All right, guys, it's now 5 minutes after the hour. I'm hitting the pay button. All my info is correct. And the Florida man is getting, there's an issue creating your order message, try again. So overdrive for the win, obviously. And I don't know if they're doing this on purpose to push people to get the overdrive next time. I have no idea. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to be sitting here for probably close to 30 minutes to keep trying. I mean, maybe within 15 minutes or so, it might go through. I have no idea. I mean, it's just crazy. Like, I'm doing everything I've ever done since having my RLC account, and the system just won't accept it. I don't know, but hey, you can always look at the green one, right? I would love to show you the screen, but their new setup is just showing way too much personal info. So pay now. Yeah, I only have 2. It's not like I've got extra ones, but I'm hitting the button and it just keeps going error, error, error. Super weird is like the lowrider truck and the Skyline and whatever else we've gotten, the payment just went right through. Like there was no issues. Well, I take that back. I think the HT2000, we did have to wait for like 30 minutes until it finally went through. So I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna keep hitting the button until I see the sold out message. Right, 11 minutes after the hour, and it's the same message. I tried multiple payment methods. I used the same address as your billing address, use a different address, all the different things I've tried a million times. It's just not going through, bro. This is ridiculous, man. Come on, bro. Well, I was talking to Works Diecast. His payment went right through immediately, of course, and he does have overdrive, so that could be why. I'm not sure. I could be out hunting right now, bro. We could be checking stores, checking Targets, checking Walfarts. I decided to sit here, make a video about the RLC drop again, and this might be our last RLC video ever. Like, I'm so tired of wasting my whole morning sitting around waiting for noon here in the Eastern time zone. Just to get the same message over and over. I just keep hitting the button, pay now, pay now. All the info's correct. There should be no reason why this isn't going through. However, I did notice that Shopify has something to do with these orders now. It used to be directly through Mattel, where it looks like Shopify has somehow taken over some part of the sales. All right, for some reason the page flipped and it showed me that I was back in line to check out, and then it flipped back to the checkout page, but it's still not going through. We're almost 20 minutes after the hour. Okay, this is crazy, bro. This, as you're seeing right here, is a screenshot of my order that I did through my phone. Instead of using the iPad, I used my phone, and I got to pay right away. It went right through. Something is wrong with the iPad browser through the Mattel site. Don't use an iPad. Use your phone. Use your laptop. I don't know. But, dude, I went right on my phone just to test it. Right through. No problem. Again, look, 1224. The item was not even in my cart through my phone, and I'm on the same account. And I added the 2 back into the account. Did the same payment, the same everything as normal, like I was doing on the iPad. Bro, it said processing order immediately. Something is wrong with the iPad browser through the RLC. That's unreal. This is a newer iPad, like a brand new iPad. I just got it like maybe 3 months ago. So this is a brand new iPad, brand new browser. The software is updated all the time. And for some reason, the payment would not go through. I had to use my iPhone browser, which has not been updated in a very long time. I don't really update the iPhone. I like how things work. I like my editor. I use my iPhone to edit these videos and shoot these videos. I'm happy with the way it works, so I haven't done any updates since I don't even know when. Dude, this is crazy, bro. This whole time I'm sitting here fighting with myself trying to get these cars, and all I had to do was use my phone. All right, so that's what's wrong. Something with the iPad browser is blocking the transaction. I tried to compare the Safari settings between the devices. Of course, this being on an older iOS, there's a few less boxes to check, so to say. Something is up with the new iOS and how Safari blocks trackers and Safari blocks your IP and hides this and hides that. There's something wrong with the new iOS or using the iPad. So we got the blue Monte Carlo ×2, yay! So crazy, bro. So from now on, I guess we'll just have to use the phone, we'll shoot our clips and do our purchasing, and then I'll show you that we got it after the fact, but we'll never be using this iPad for an RLC order again. All right, guys, so if you have not seen the green Monte Carlo, I'm going to show you now. It comes out of this normal little box, and then it has a slide out, and there she is, bro. That thing is wicked. I really want to compare the paint jobs between the two. And as I was saying, there is a different system here for the three-wheel. I mean, look how much farther that comes out than the Impalas. I would grab an Impala, but they're all sealed. We did have one open. Somebody got it from the Whatnot Collectibles live shows. But dude, look at that. That thing is, wait, hello? There we go. Look at that. Dude, that thing, dude, it's so much different than the Impala, the Monte Carlo. It's like, it's got a different hinge system. We are going to trade our extra Monte Carlo for the newer Impala with works because you got an extra, but the Impala doesn't do that. At least the old ones. We're going to find out if the newer one does have this newer hinge system. I don't think it does, because even Works was saying, hey, it was so hard I could barely get it to do three-wheel. But look at that. Like, come on now. That's crazy, bro. Like, that's a serious height on the front end of the Monte. Even the back end's touching the glass. See? Wow, what a mission, guys. Holy cow, dude. All right, this video is probably half an hour long with all the trouble. I cannot believe it had something to do with the iPad browser. I am absolutely certain of it. In fact, I'm going to download like Firefox or a Google browser, something different than the Safari browser. And next time, we will absolutely try it on the iPad with a different browser, not the Safari browser, but with Mozilla, with Firefox, as they say, and or a Google browser. Dude, I am so, I can't believe this. All the cars we missed just because I was trying to use my iPad to film the video. But look how sick the Monte Carlo is. I've called it the Impala like 50 times already, so I'll be editing all of that out. But it's an amazing car, and I can tell you right now... Yeah, see, you've reached the limit of 2. All of a sudden, it's telling me I purchased it on the iPad when before I had to add it into the phone. Anyway, enough rambling about that. They are absolutely a different paint job. As you can see, there's like some stars and stuff or whatever going down the side, and that one does not have that. It's very swoopy. So they do have different paint jobs, similar with like the green chrome and stuff, but they are a little bit different. Can't wait to see the blue one. The three-wheel is so much better on the Monte Carlos than the Impala, at least from what I know. We will check the new one when I get it from Works. Holy cow. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all of you, my people. I will be checking some wall farts and Tarjays for tomorrow's video, maybe even $1.25 treat plus. We'll see. So get ready. We'll be back on the hunt. I just wanted to get the RLC Monte Carlo. I was even going to get it, run out, grab some clips of hunting for this video, but I just don't have time now. So all good. We got the Monte Carlo ×2, the blue. We'll trade our extra green Monte for the Impala with Works, as I said. And yeah, I don't know, man. It's a shame. It's a shame that this whole time it was based on something, some setting in the Safari browser. So all good. We'll do some tests for the next RLC drop so you guys know what to do as well. And again, thank you for being here. I really appreciate all of you. And I can't wait to see you in the next one.